In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Adobe's Mixamo website to easily create a 3D animation segment. Here is a human character I have created using Makehuman. I have saved this character file as FBX, and we'll upload this file to Adobe's Mixamo website. Let's go to the Mixamo website. You need an Adobe ID to log into the Mixamo website. Once you log in, you'll get an option to upload a file like this. Let's click Upload Character. Let's upload an FBX file we have exported from Makehuman. Let's press Next. Please double-click any of these motion capture data. Let's try this samba dancing. The sliders located to the right are the animation controllers. Please test the settings to see how they can make your animation unique. Left-click and drag will rotate. Right-click and drag will zoom. Middle-click and drag will pan. This is one of the best ways to animate our 3D models at ease. Blender used to have a Makehuman add-on to import external motion capture data files, but that's not working well on 2.8. In the meantime, we can test and use Mixamo to animate our characters. Let's download this animation and open it as FBX in Blender. We need to make some changes here. First, we need to fix the eye issue. Second, our character has turned into one of 18 bronzemen. We need to decrease the metallic value under material to fix that issue. Let's remove this PNG file and set the blend mode to alpha blend. If the alpha setting is set to 0, please change that to 1.0. Let's decrease the metallic setting. It's working well. Just to let you know, you'll notice a frame drop issue when you try to preview under Render Preview mode. When you render the scene as animation, the slowness issue won't occur in the final render. This is the end of the Mixamo animation tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.